Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I show you how easy it is to change the engine air filters in my QX70. This will be a first in a series of do-it-yourself how-to videos. The goal of these videos is to show you how easy it is to do basic maintenance to my Infiniti QX70 and my Lexus RCF. And if you own one of them, save you money in the long run by not overpaying for parts and minus the labor charge. So let's get started. With the engine turned off, the first thing I do is make sure there's no dirt above the engine air cleaner housing. And what I normally use is just a microfiber cloth. I just take any dirt off from the top. The next step is to loosen these retainers, removing the air filter housing. And as you can see, it's pretty much time to replace the air filter. The next step I take is to remove any dirt from the air filter housing by using the same microfiber cloth. Doing this prevents any dirt that may be building up on the air filter housing from settling in the air cleaner housing. The next step is to remove any debris within the air cleaner housing using a vacuum. I'm pretty much using a household vacuum, but before I do that, I want to show you what it looks like inside the air cleaner housing. So as you can see, there's a lot of debris. It looks like there's some dirt, some leaves. Definitely want to remove all that debris before putting in the new air filter. All right, looks like I got it all. Next, I put a clean air filter back into the air filter housing. And finally, putting the air filter housing back into the air cleaner housing, locking both retainer clips. While I replace the other air filter, let's listen to some music. As you can see, it's that simple to change the engine air filters in my QX70. I replace the engine air filters once every 10,000 miles. Replacing the engine air filters at regular intervals prevents debris from entering the engine, which would otherwise cause premature engine wear. Now, the obvious benefit of replacing the engine air filters myself is that I'm saving money on the labor charge that Infiniti charges, which is about $20. So I know $20 isn't a lot of money, but I think over time it adds up. So when I change the oil myself and change the wiper blades and other DIY jobs I do on my Infiniti and my Lexus RCF, you know, that money over time builds up, which allows me to save, or allows me to buy things like this floor jack and jack stands, which I then can use for other DIY jobs and mods to both my cars. So I think it's a win-win. So when you do things like this to your car, you know, just things yourself rather than, you know, paying a shop or a dealer, I think it's a win-win. You're saving money, and plus I think more importantly, you're learning about your car. So again, it's a win-win. That wraps up today's video. Leave a comment below to let me know if you found this video helpful and what other DIY videos you would like to see. Thanks for watching. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for future content. Until next time, I'll see you at the next video.